In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Chrome. Keeping Chrome updated is important because updates often include security fixes, performance improvements, and new features that help your browser run more smoothly. The good news is that the process is quick and very easy to do. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access its settings and menus without any issues. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three vertical dots there. Click on those dots to open the main Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to many browser settings and tools, including the option to check for updates. After the menu opens, scroll down until you find Help. Move your cursor over Help to expand the submenu, and then click About Google Chrome. This will take you to the Chrome information page, which is where the browser checks its current version and handles updates. As soon as you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will automatically start checking for available updates. You don't need to click anything else at this point. If an update is available, it will begin downloading automatically. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. It's a good idea to wait until the process is fully complete before moving on. If Chrome is already up to date, you'll simply see a message confirming that you're using the latest version. In that case, there's nothing more you need to install. If an update was downloaded, though, Chrome will prompt you to finish the process by restarting the browser. When you see the relaunch button, click it to apply the update and restart Chrome. This step is necessary because the update won't fully install until the browser closes and reopens. Before clicking relaunch, it's a smart idea to save any work you have open in browser tabs, especially if you're filling out forms or working in web apps. After Chrome relaunches, the update should be complete and your browser will be ready to use with the latest improvements installed. And that's all it takes to update Google Chrome. It's a simple maintenance step, but doing it regularly can help keep your browsing faster, safer, and more reliable.